welcome back to episode, don't know, I'm going to be doing a Minecraft video about bonfire night, fireworks going off, and right now it's amazing. They not look good on the screen, it's literally sick. I'll try to get it up here. If you can hear that, then no, you can hear that part, yeah. Tomorrow coming, just getting them out, probably. This is episode whatever, but I'm going to be doing a Minecraft series. So, I'm going to look forward to be doing that.